po si Yorme. Ayan na.
So welcome to the grand opening of Marion. Of course, the Title College. So again, welcome to the grand opening of Powerhouse Mariones Tondo. Of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Mayor Isko Moreno Barboso and Ex-Mayor Chi Atienza. We'd also like to acknowledge the Powerhouse Execom, so Sir Jasper C., Carl, Sir Eric, Sir Kenneth, Sir George, wait lang pa. So first, we'll do the ribbon cutting and then later magbibigay lang ng speech of course ang ating mga VIP. So sige, we'll start our ribbon cutting and later we'll give messages. So with our ribbon cutting as our franchisee, Sir Jonathan Simbolan, yung wife ni Sir Jonathan, si Miss Jessamine, ang kanilang mga brothers, Sir Rolando and Sir Leopoldo. So, nakaupo ako ng 1, 2, 3. 1, tapos ribbon cutting. 1, 2, 3. So, go na po. Congratulations, Powerhouse Mariones Tondo. So first po, ayan, thank you po, Yorme. So first po, magbibigay lang po ng message. Let's start with a message lang po from our CEO. So Sir Charles. Sir Charles will give muna a message.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much. Mayor Isko Moreno, thank you so much for coming. And Vice Mayor, thank you so much for being with us today. And maraming salamat sa ating franchisee.